Hi guys, welcome to my channel JP Lottery. So friends, in this video, I saw double UK49 lunchtime and tea time prediction for Thursday 12 March 2026. Now lunchtime single prediction numbers. Number 1, number 2, number 14, number 21, number 40, number 45. Today lunchtime single prediction number repeat. Number 1, number 2, number 14, number 21, number 40, number 45. Now lunchtime second prediction numbers. Number 16, number 32, number 36, number 44, number 46, number 49. Today lunchtime second prediction number repeat. Number 16, number 32, number 36, number 44, number 46, number 49. Now lunchtime booster ball numbers. Number 14, number 22, number 32, number 38. Today lunchtime bonus ball number repeat. Number 14, number 28, number 32, number 38. So friends, now tea time prediction for Thursday 12 March 2026. Now tea time single prediction numbers. Number 6, number 7, number 18, number 32, number 36, number 43. Now tea time second prediction number repeat. Number 6, number 7, number 18, number 22, number 36, number 43. Today time second prediction numbers. Number 19, number 28, number 30, number 40, number 44, number 45. Now tea time second prediction number repeat. Number 19, number 28, number 30, number 40, number 44, number 45. So friends, now tea time booster ball numbers. Number 11, number 18, number 29, number 34. Today time bonus ball number repeat. Number 11, number 18, number 29, number 34. So friends, complete today lunchtime and tea time prediction numbers. So friends, like and comment this video. Please subscribe my channel, press the bell icon for next notification.